In this video, I will walk through the process of importing data into the AgencyDash Reporting Platform. First, I will show how to send data automatically from HMIS into AgencyDash. Next, I will show how to manually upload a zip file containing data in the HUD CSV 3.02 format. Let's begin. To start, I'm going to log into AgencyDash. And once I'm in, I'm going to come over here to this navigation and I'm going to look for the data import tool. That's going to be located under tools. So I can either scroll down to find tools, data import tool, or if I want to declutter things for the time being, I can minimize some of these groups and go into the data import tool. The data import tool will show all the data sets that I've uploaded into AgencyDash. I haven't uploaded any data sets yet, so the list is blank. I'm now going to start the process of sending data over from my HMIS. Once I do that and I see that the data has been successfully sent, I'm going to come over here and click this refresh button and click it a few times until I see the data set show up. So here we see the data set has come over, it's been parsed, and now it's ready to go. So once we see the status of ready, we can then report over it. Sometimes you will see data come over and it will have a status of not ready or error. This means that something prevented the data from fully being processed by the system. To get a good idea of what may be causing the error, I'm going to come down, I'm going to select the data set first, then I'm going to come down here to View Log, which is going to open up the log panel. Here I can scroll through and look for any red text that we might find. Sometimes you'll see yellow text. This is usually just a warning. It doesn't mean that it's the reason the data can't be processed. Some files are not necessarily needed to do all the reporting that we do, but they may be included anyways. So since this data set came over just fine, we're not going to see any red text, so we can move on. So this data set has now been fully imported and is ready to be reported over. Next, to show you how to upload a zip file, I'm going to come up here, go to Upload New Data Set. I'm going to select the HUD CSV 3.02 import definition. As a data source, this is linked to the instance of your HMIS you're using. So in this case, I'm just going to use a demo one. Next, I'm going to click Choose File to browse for a zip file in my computer. Just to show you what the zip file contains, I'm going to go ahead and just open this up. So this has these files that are all CSV files that should be exported by your HMIS. So we have documentation that says exactly which files need to be included, but these are them right here. Once I've chosen this file, I'm going to give it a descriptive name, just so I can identify it in the list and the drop downs later. Generally speaking, you'll want to leave these three options checked unless if you're specifically told not to or have a reason not to. Click Submit. The file is going to upload, and once it's finished uploading, it will begin processing. So now we can just watch it here, and once the status says ready, this data will also be ready to be reported over. I've skipped ahead a little bit while this file processed, but now it is finished, and we now have two files that can be reported over and they're ready to go in the AgencyDash system. Thank you for watching.